Hey, good morning everybody. It's Sunday morning at the RTR. Yeah, 8:30 or so. People are just starting to kind of get up and move around. But I wanted to do a little video here and talk about YouTube channels, and specifically underrated YouTube channels, or what I feel to be underrated YouTube channels. I want to put a plug in here for a internet friend of mine, and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna probably butcher his channel name and maybe even his actual name, because I don't he's in Norway, and I don't know how to pronounce this, but Friluflivitz Glender is the name of his channel. And don't worry, I'll put a link down in the description. I'll probably put a card up here or something at the end of the video, or maybe even right now, something that you can click on and go right to his channel. And I believe his name is Han, and he has a dog named Ulf, U-L-F, and his name is H-A-K-O-N. I don't know if that's pronounced Han. That's going to be my guess. I'm sorry for messing up your name if I did. But anyway, just a guy and his dog, and he has a small van similar to mine that he travels around Norway up into the mountains, and he does a lot of hiking and a little bit of cooking and just a little bit of everything on his YouTube channel. But it's one of the most fantastic channels, I think, that I've run across in quite some time. Really good content. He doesn't just make YouTube videos just for the sake of posting a video. He actually really has some good content, and the scenery is just phenomenal. The most recent one I watched, I don't remember what the title of it was, but one of his newer videos where he's hiking up in the mountains and overlooking the valley with the clouds, and it's just fantastic. And he also is a musician, and he plays guitar, and I believe he sings as well. And he does 99% or somewhere close to that of his own music. The music that you hear on his videos is done by him. So it's just a fantastic channel, and I think that there's quite a few people that watch my channel that would probably really be interested in checking out his channel. So if you get the opportunity, click on the link and go over there and check it out. Watch a couple of his videos. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but if you like it, I'm betting that you like it. He's just really cool guy, fantastic videos, and really down to earth. No YouTube fluff and all the clickbait weird stuff that goes on YouTube. This guy's the real deal. So go check out his channel, Friluflivitz Glender, Han and Ulf, out of Norway. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm gonna have a good day here, I hope. I'm gonna take a hike, and haven't done too much with the drone. I'm gonna try to take some more drone footage today, and just have a fantastic day. Let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys where I'm camped. It's changing daily, the people around me, but it looks like I'm almost in the middle of the Schoolie convention. A bunch of buses came through here last night, and a few more parked out here, but let me show you that real quick, and then we'll shut this one off. A couple buses there. My buddy in his transit, Donald, they got him almost completely covered up. He was by himself out there a couple days ago. Then we got the big circle and train of buses over here. I think this is Dave 2D. I don't know if you watch his channel, but anyway. RTR 2018. Have a great day, guys. See you on the next one.